Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you the best budget editing PC build for under $500. So before we start the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, let's get started. So for this build I have gone with parts that are most suited for video editing and something that can even do some gaming. This PC here will let you do some very high-end editing at 1080p, and even editing in 4K is doable on this PC. On Cinebench, this PC can score 700 even without overclocking the CPU. For the CPU, we have the AMD Ryzen 5 1400. This is a quad-core CPU with 8 threads and a core clock speed of 3.4 GHz. It is one of the most popular CPUs out right now, and is rightfully so, as this is great for video editing as well as gaming. The CPU can also be overclocked a lot, and with this PC you can easily overclock it up to 4 GHz and even more easily. The motherboard in this is the MSI B350 PC Mate. It's a really good motherboard overall, and it supports almost all the Ryzen CPUs and even supports overclocking to really high numbers as well. All in all, this is a great looking and performing motherboard which will even allow you to upgrade the PC in the future easily without changing the motherboard itself. For the power supply, we have the EVGA 500 watt 80 plus bronze rated supply. 500 watts will be more than enough for this build and even for some upgrades, and as it is 80 plus rated, it will also be really efficient and will be perfect for this build. For the storage, we have a Western Digital Blue 1TB hard drive. This will be good enough for this build, and 1TB will be plenty enough storage for starting. For the RAM, we have 8GB of CORSAIR VENGENCE RAM. It is DDR3 because it is much cheaper than DDR4 right now, and 8GB is fine for most gaming and editing situations right now, but if you want to upgrade the RAM in the future, it will be easily upgradable, as this is just one stick, and upgrading this will just require you to put an additional stick of RAM into the motherboard and it will be good to go. For the graphics card in this, we have the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 2GB edition. This is a really good budget gaming graphics card which will allow you to play almost every single game on at least medium settings at 1080p, and this GPU also helps with editing a lot and is a great addition in this build. Storing all those components is the CORSAIR CARBIDE 100R mid-tower case. This is a very good looking and very easy to work in case for not a lot of money. It is quite big inside, so working on this is good, and the airflow and cable management in this is good as well. Now after the PC is done, let's talk about how well it performs. In video editing, you can easily edit 1080p videos on this in Sony Vegas as well as Premiere Pro, and even if you were to edit 4K video, it works pretty well, and the rendering speeds are also really good. In photo editing, the PC has no problem running at all, no matter how big the workload is. You can also game quite well on this. So for the gaming test, we have Battlefield 1, Overwatch and Minecraft with shaders mod installed. So without any further ado, here are the gaming results. So in conclusion, you can tell that this PC is very good for editing as well as gaming, and if you want to build a gaming or editing PC under $500 with all new parts, this is one of the best options. So that's it for the video guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.